Just waking up from a nice dream. Bitcoin pumping on a live stream. Smile shine brighter than a high beam. Ever seen live trading on a widescreen? Bitcoin showing you the steps to own it. We got the alpha, I bet you want it. I'm having fun, send a lecture on it. Randy, put a little extra on it.
It's mutable and decentralized. No censorship or hard cap supply. It's open source and we classify the blockchain secure, and that's exactly why. It's hard money with a new plan. It bounced a lot like this new jam. If Bitcoin dipped, then we ain't gon' trip. I'ma be bullish on you, fam.
I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it. 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 I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Friday. And yes, I said Friday because now's the time to sit back, relax, and talk about Bitcoin, crypto, and the SPACEX IPO after a long week of hard work. We're getting after it, guys. Please make sure you're smashing the like, subscribing, sharing this out with friends so more people are here for the SPACEX IPO. I wanted to make sure we were live at 9:30 when the market opens to see this IPO play out. And I would love to know what you think of the SPACEX IPO. We're going to continue to get after it. So again, you're ready for this, that's the news, the education. Make sure you smash the like, subscribe, share this out with friends. We have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers, and a subscriber goal of 26,000 subscribers. We were going yesterday and then YouTube took us right back down here. So please make sure you guys smash the like if you guys are on TikTok or Rumble or anywhere else that is not YouTube. Go to YouTube and subscribe. We're going to continue to get after it. Let me say good morning to you guys as you check out our amazing two sponsors of the show, Cake Wallet and Uphold. Let's continue to get after it. Let me say good morning to you guys, and then we're going to go check out the SPACEX news and everything. All right, we got Jesse, Peace, Flat Earth, Mike Volmer. We got Silver Days. We got Shadow, Black Cat, as always, thank you to you. David Bulls, Mike Mazzone, and Yukio are on X. Rob C, who else? Gary is here. Good morning. DeFi G, good morning. Elric is here. Good morning. All right, everyone. Let's get after it. I'm excited. We're going to go and talk about Bitcoin, and then we're going to go and check out this SPACEX IPO. I don't even know where's SPACEX ticker. Oh, it's here. Okay. So it says no data here right now. What about if we go to the minute? Nothing here yet. I was hoping to maybe see something by 9:30, but I guess not. I'm gonna have to look. We're gonna check. We're gonna refresh in a minute. But apparently we're supposed to see some. We're supposed to be able at least to see some trading go on, but I really want to see how this plays out live. So this is a historical moment. But do you guys think SpaceX is going to be a pamp or a damp? Put a one or a yes emoji if we are going to the moon, or a rocket. You put a rocket emoji if we're going to Mars, even with the SpaceX IPO. Or are you bearish and selling? Put a 2 or a no emoji. Let's go ahead and get into the market recap. It seems like Trump coin is making a move this morning. A little mix of red and green. Again, nothing new on SpaceX yet, though we are seeing Bitcoin again at $63,282. We're down 0.17%. People are kind of like iffy on what's going to happen with Bitcoin today, especially the fact that we have this IPO. People are saying that this is a $75 billion IPO. This is the biggest IPO in history. And according to experts, there's money taken out of crypto to be put in the SpaceX IPO. I would argue, based off of the tweet that I put up this morning, because I was trying to catch a vibe from the public as to who is actually grabbing the SpaceX stock. And I can't tell you how many comments were just like, no, only suckers. No. And so I don't really see a lot of hype for the IPO from people that are actually just retail investors. So it's very interesting. It's very interesting. And I'm going to talk more about the IPO in just a minute because I have some thoughts. I have some thoughts that I want to share. Anyways, $60,000 Bitcoin is your bearish, 67 is the bullish, but if we lose 60K, we are looking at 55, 56, and even below that, I really want to see 52 to 54K before we move back up, but usually Bitcoin doesn't go where we think it's going to. So again, we're looking up even to that 200-day SMA that is now at $77,884. Will we have some good price action over the weekend? I'm sure hoping so, even though weekends are mostly mundane and not too crazy. You think someone hacked my account on TikTok? My account did not get hacked on TikTok. There's a lot of imposters, but I didn't get hacked. We do have a red money flow going on here as well. So again, not too exciting with Bitcoin this morning. We're out of that oversold though, which is cool. We want to see a little bit of movement in this RSI. Had a major cooling period. Canadian trucker said so many fake accounts. I know, guys. My friends bringing it up to me, like every time I leave the house, someone in my friend group goes, Randy, why are there a million of you online? I'm like, I don't know, sir. You gotta ask the imposters. East or West Coast? East Coast for sure. East Coast for sure. The only reason I like the West Coast is because it has In-N-Out Burger. I am a big In-N-Out Burger fan, and I was thinking about it literally yesterday, and I was like, I really miss In-N-Out Burger. Ray K said SpaceX will pop, then slowly go down. I'm not buying. Ooh, spicy. Okay, let's check it out. So again, this is a crazy IPO. And again, there were pre-IPO trading things going on here. What is going on with my screen right now? Sorry, guys. SpaceX's crypto traded IPO is sharply falling. Now it points up to a $2.4 trillion valuation. What is going on? Breaking news headlines start now, including SpaceX drama. People have been going on Hyperliquid. They've been all over the SpaceX IPO and pre-IPO. And so I want you guys to take a little look at this. A SpaceX linked perpetual contract on Hyperliquid trading under SPCX, again, which is the actual ticker for SpaceX. Again, we're going to go check in on that again. It rebounded sharply into the stock's expected debut. Again, that's today, after spending 3 weeks cutting the implied first day premium on Elon's rocket and satellite company. Put Elon Musk emojis in the live chat. The contract traded between 176 and 183 bucks on Friday morning, up from a low near 153 earlier this week, and above roughly the $157 level seen when CoinDesk wrote Wednesday that crypto traders were marking down the expected IPO pop. Now, open interest stood near $216 million with the 24-hour volume above $150 million on Hyperliquid. Open interest does refer to the dollar value of active or open contracts. So again, it doesn't actually, the people that are trading on Hyperliquid, it's not actually the shares that you're getting. It's a cash settled derivative. So it's like the layer of whatever this is. And so it's not actually getting the stock. It's like saying you own a Bitcoin ETF and not actually owning a Bitcoin. It's two way different things. So let me go and see if I could get some ticker action here for SpaceX. I want to see if there's any price action. There's no freaking price action. I wanted to see candles. Okay, I got to go find out what's going on. SpaceX IPO time. I want to know. This was supposed to go live at 9:30. Oh, 9:50. 9:50. Okay, it says opening price indications. According to the Nasdaq, the first price indications began to appear at 9:50. So it's not. How did they wrote began as past tense. It's not even 9:50 yet. Excuse me. What's going on CNBC? Let's check this out. Let's see. Yeah, wait, first indications should start to appear at 9:50. Okay. So also, Mama May Musk did end up going to New York City to go to the stock exchange. There are some pictures floating around of her on where's damn, it's like all my tweets just went freaking missing today. All my tweets went missing. Elon's mama, May Musk, has arrived at the NASDAQ for the SpaceX IPO. Again, what do you think about the SpaceX IPO? Hello, Lotus. Lotus, what did you tell me on X? What did you tell? What? TikTok? Oh, it says, are you freaking kidding me? Oh my God. So TikTok, again, said that I'm putting explicit content on their platform. My chest is even covered with my microphone on TikTok. You see my face? Is that offensive to who's reporting me on TikTok? That I want to know. That I want to know. This is insane. This is actually insane. You know what? I'm not supporting TikTok anymore. Submit feedback. This is ridiculous. Thank you. Okay, TikTok, I'm out of here. I'm not supporting this platform anymore. Please go on my bio and go to youtube.com/Randi. Thank you. Bye. I cannot. I'm sorry, y'all. My mic fell. But I just, who's reporting me on TikTok that, like, there's no explicit content? Chill. We're chilling. It's just crazy. I know. You know what? I have a conspiracy, but it's fine. Okay. Yeah, it should be discovered who's doing this to me. Hold on, I need a second.
Randi Hipper. I'm a Bitcoin best.
It's crazy. Some people want to report me. It's like I can't live. Everything I do, people need to report me because they don't like my opinion sometimes. I don't have to agree with everybody, right? But apparently that's not allowed. They're going to gang up on you. Peace and love. Peace and love to these people that want to report me. God is watching. God is watching. Anyway, guys, please support the show. And smash the like, subscribe, and share. But yeah, let's go see what's going on with so SpaceX. We have 6 more minutes until we're going to see some price action going on there. But we do have the fact that, again, prices are starting at $135 a share. So $75 billion IPO. It's the largest ever IPO. And of course, look at Elon. Look at Elon. He's like, I'm taking over the world. Put Elon emojis in the chat. So SpaceX priced its shares at $135 according to a filing with the SEC, setting the stage for one of the most closely watched public market debut in years. The company sold 555.6 million shares at the price, raising $75 billion, making it the largest IPO ever, easily topping Saudi Aramco's $30 billion in 2019. Again, he is leading the aerospace and satellite company that is expected to begin trading again in about 5 minutes on the NASDAQ. And so it is absolutely insane. And people are saying this could be so bad for Bitcoin. This is why it's actually not. Is because they are holders of Bitcoin, the largest IPO ever. The company for the largest IPO ever is stacked up on Bitcoin, holding 18,712 Bitcoin as of March 31st. And that would be valued at just under $1.2 billion at about 63K Bitcoin. So we got a lot going on here. We got a lot of Bitcoin involvement. And so, again, I would always go to the fact that you should keep calm, huddle on, and get after it. Guys, this latte, I can't even tell you how fire it is. If you would have told me over a year ago I would like lattes, I would say you're freaking crazy. You're crazy. But now look at where I'm at. Look at where I am. What did this guy say on Rumble? Yeah, it's sad that I got reported. It's fine. We are going to keep calm and huddle on. But we are also going to dive into a little bit of crypto news. We have the price action going live in 4 minutes. So let's talk about this real quick. Citi, the bank. So this is what, like, the banks are like, oh, we just like entered the space yesterday. No, they didn't. Citibank has been working on tokenized deposits for years, but now they are trying to get a route into private markets using tokenized share offerings. Take a gander. Citigroup is launching a new way for the wealthy and institutional investors to buy stakes in private companies using blockchain tech as part of the broader push. Again, it's always for the wealthy and institutional people, which is why DeFi is important for our retail besties. The bank on Thursday unveiled what it called Digital Depository Receipts, a product that allows investors to gain exposure to private company shares through blockchain-based securities issued and held by them at Citi. This is coming as many fast-growing companies are waiting longer to go public, leaving investors with few ways to access sought-after private firms. And at the time, demand for private market investments have surged as investors look for opportunities beyond public stocks. So again, this is more banks using more blockchain things to benefit the rich. And not only that, but BlackRock is also filing to list a Bitcoin income ETF. So this is also one to look out for next week. So BlackRock took another step toward introducing its Bitcoin income ETF on the NASDAQ, filing a shared registration document that often signals an imminent debut. So they filed a Form 8A for the iShares Bitcoin Premium Income ETF, usually one of the last procedural moves before an ETF goes live. Eric from Bloomberg says typically means launch in 1 week. So basically, you might just see a new BlackRock Bitcoin ETF by next week. If you guys have not yet, please subscribe to the channel. We got 99 more subscribers until 26,000. And so I was actually having a conversation with AI, trying to get all my ducks in a row this morning when it came to the IPO. And I just want to make sure that I have my numbers correct when I'm speaking here. So I'm looking back to my notes here. So I was just like, curious because I guess like sometimes it depends on the IPO or the stock. Like how much does retail actually get of an IPO? And so SpaceX, it says SpaceX ended up allocating around the low 20% of the IPO shares to retail after initially aiming higher, like 30%. So basically, the AI was like, oh, but this is actually good that retail only gets about 20% of the shares that they're putting out for this IPO, because usually it's only 5 to 10%. I was just like, oh. So Elon's generous on this one, only because it's 4 to 5 times oversubscribed. And some people don't even think they're even going to get an allocation from the individual investor side. And I was just really frustrated about this because I was just like, why is retail always an afterthought? I was like, how is this fair? And AI says, because I wanted to see what the AI would say. It's like, it's not fair. It's how the system's built. IPOs are structured to reward big institutional clients first, the ones who bring repeat business and stability to the stock. Retail is treated as an afterthought because they don't move the needle the same way. And it says, and literally the AI says, it's frustrating, but the game is rigged that way on purpose. And it just really made me think about how fake, like, huckster fraudster the market is. It upsets me to a certain degree. I'm just like very confused as to why retail is always cut out for the sake of the stability of the stock. Is it really a free, fair market if this is what they do? It's just very frustrating. Even though, again, SpaceX is more than that. It is 7:50, so let's take a look and see if we can refresh some price action here. Oh, shoot, here we go. Oh boy. Wait. Hey, I got excited for a second. I was like, wait, candles. I lied. SpaceX. Let's see something. No, wait, where's my, oh, darn it. Okay, we got to find a way to get this price action. We got to find a way to get this price action right now. Give us SpaceX. I want to see SpaceX right now. Okay, I want to find SpaceX. I want to see live SpaceX price action. SpaceX price. I want to see. Guys, does anyone know where to find the price action right now? Where's SpaceX? I want to see retail. Years ago, retail couldn't get into IPOs at all. Robinhood changed that. You know what? That's so facts. And you know what? Like, I just really want retail to have a fair shot. And it just seems as though, oh, you have to give it to the big boys because the big boys create the stability. Well, like, shouldn't people just be able to, like, buy what they want and trade when they want and have the real price shown? Like, I just don't feel like it makes sense. It just doesn't make sense. It's just retail always gets cheated. Sola Hefe is right. Sola Hefe is right, not gonna lie. Most of TradFi is just legitimized crime. Yeah, basically. And it's not cool. It's really not cool because it's always the wealthy, it's always the institutions, it's always the rich, which is why it's just so important that DeFi survives and that people keep building and helping DeFi grow. Because the fact that we have Bitcoin and crypto and even like Kraken's X stocks where you can get like pre-IPO access, like this is what we need. This is what they need. Starts trading at the top of the hour. Dude, I freaking doubled and triple checked this like a million times today that we would be able to see price action by 9:30, and now it is 9:50 and we're not seeing freaking nothing. We're not seeing nothing. I'm so upset because I really do gotta run today. Darn it. Okay, hold on. SpaceX, give us something. Oh, we have nothing. We have nothing. Okay, let's see. NASDAQ will start accepting orders to buy and sell SpaceX shares, a step known as opening the quotation window. Electronic orders from buyers and sellers start pouring in, showing what public investors are willing to pay for shares of the rocket company. Okay, so Morgan Stanley, the stabilization agent. See, like, I just don't like this. This is so, like, TradFi I just feel like the way people are brainwashed by TradFi is crazy. But anyway, Morgan Stanley determines when enough supply and demand has built up in the electronic order book to allow SpaceX shares to start trading. Its goal is to find a price that satisfies enough investor demand to let the stock trade smoothly after its debut. The first trade in big IPOs often takes place afternoon. When chip maker had its IPO in May, so the first trade took place at 1 p.m. Wow. Okay, so let's see if we could search this. So we basically probably won't be able to see anything. Oh, this is the wrong link. Okay, well, interesting. I want to see if we could find some live coverage, but I don't think Wall Street Journal will let us see that. Yeah. All right. So I guess we might not be able to see anything for a while for SpaceX. But I was hoping that maybe we would get some price action shown to us sooner. Okay. Well, I guess it is what it is. We see nothing. Mr. Beast, 500 million subs today. Wow. Freaking wow. From what I understand, there are underwriter things happening before the open. You think it'll be 10 o'clock. I don't know. Why am I seeing so much mixed stuff? Bloomberg is showing it. Let me see. Let me Google the Bloomsburg. Hold on. Bloomberg SpaceX IPO. Let me see. I don't see anything. Let's see. SpaceX, Bloomberg. Yeah, I don't see anything here. Live. Okay. Show me the news. Show me the news. Yeah, I don't see anything here on Bloomberg either. Nothing here. Nothing here. Oh, look, it's James. It's James Cipher. We've had him on the show. We love James. James is such a savage. I love that dude. Okay. Well, E-Trade doesn't show anything. No one's showing nothing. No one wants us to have fun with this IPO. Darn it. Darn it. All right. Have we smashed the like? Yeah, have we smashed the like? Just so you guys know, next week at this time, I will be leaving for Amsterdam. So I am heading out of the US in 1 week from today. So just so you guys know, most likely no show next week on Friday. Some guy goes so happy I'm sending my mother-in-law to Mars. Thanks to SpaceX. What's the other stream I'll be on? That got canceled. To my surprise, it got canceled. So that's why I'm here right now, is because I didn't have to worry about that. All right. Anyways, maybe we'll wait another few minutes to see if we could catch the IPO. But again, smash the like, subscribe, and share. We're going to continue to get after it. Let's see. I'm looking at like every news outlet right now, and I just don't see any SpaceX things. I'm so frustrated. I really wanted to see like some funds. Also, apparently some news on the oil front. Oil, this is the minute chart. Let me go back to the day chart real quick. So oil check. Let me see. I want to see the oil, the gas prices in your state or your city. Gas is dropping by me, and I'm gonna take advantage and actually fill up my car. No after show today. No after show. But we are looking at oil that's $86 a barrel. We're up 0.5%. Looking at $77. Like, let's freaking get $77 oil back, please. Reject the 200-day SMA. Send it down. Because apparently we have sort of reached a agreement to a degree for the 50th time with Iran. So we'll see what happens. Oh, I need a Samsung phone to watch it. Oh, you know what? I'm seeing a lot of love for Samsung phones, and I don't know if you guys know, I almost got before this one, I almost went for the Samsung Fold because I really wanted a foldable screen because like I'm a nerd or whatever. But anyways, guys, let's see if we can wait one more minute, get some price action. But if not, then we're gonna end the stream. $5.35 a gallon in California. Makes sense. $3.09 with a car wash. Are you saying that if you go to the gas station, you get a car wash and then the gas is cheaper because you get a car wash? Raul says, I don't get to choose when to fill up. Yeah, I guess so. Because it's like, I try to wait, but like, it's like, you know, I do my best. No Samsung iPhone for the win. It's just, I feel like, I don't know. Iran says there's no agreement. You know what? This is like what we hear every 5 minutes. Oh, we reached an agreement. It's a huge agreement. And then the Iranians are like, no. And then they'll put out like a Lego propaganda video. Guess is $5.54 for you. That is crazy. California is on something different. All right, it's 10 a.m. Let me see what's going on here. Let me see. SpaceX. I want to see price. No, nothing. Okay. We got no price action, still no data for the SpaceX IPO. I was hoping we would see a little bit of something around now, but we do not see anything, unfortunately. Don't cancel the stream. It's starting to pump in a few. It's gonna. I don't see anything. Does anyone see the SpaceX IPO? Am I just crazy not seeing it? I don't know. Hold on. SpaceX stock price. Yeah, it says no chart available. Yeah, we got nothing. We got nothing. Yep. Give me first indications. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing going on. Nope. Anyways, that was fun. A little bit of an epic fail today. TradingView says IPO in progress. Okay, so I don't even see that. Flatsmack says Mr. Beast is live because he's about to hit 500 million subs. Hopefully we could get Randy to 500 million. I'm hoping, guys, because I see YouTube just taking away our viewers right now, and also they won't let us hit 26K. We keep gaining subscribers, they take us right back down. So I don't know what hack Mr. Beast has, but I'm hoping that we get these bans lifted off of YouTube and Instagram soon. But thank you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you guys. We are going to peace out here for the day. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Please be back on Monday through Thursday. I will be live. Friday, we are leaving for Amsterdam because we are going to Litecoin Summit. Please go to litecoin.com/summit to go get your tickets. It's about $84 a ticket. And I will see you guys next week. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. Please smash like, subscribe, and share. You guys are the best in the world. Mwah. Bye.